What's going on, guys? We're back. This will be our last video until we go drifting next week. So it's currently Saturday. Chris and I just got to the shop. Got to finish up a few things on the Mustang. We got my underglow. Gonna install that quick. I ran to Menards, bought some aluminum flat stock because we're gonna mount it right under the front here. Can't see the car yet, but and then down probably these side skirts. So I'm gonna rivet all this aluminum to the chassis. And then I got the controller from Durham. Showed you guys in the last video. Gonna install that quick and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this metal cut up and we'll get it installed. All right, I'm about to buzz the shield off right here so we can get to the plug on the rack. All right, there's a little plug right here. Unplug that bad boy. Alright, and this is gonna go up to the rack. And the fuse box is right here. So probably by the door I emptied yesterday. By the door because I emptied yesterday. Other way.
So it should be the same length.
Let's do it way too much.
Also, they have these too. You can put one in the middle.
You can wait.
Look at that. We got 3 zippies.
Let's do.
Could you imagine how much longer it would have took fucking Bob to do those tires?
Oh, I got told. I did, yeah. All right, I got all my wiring up now through the front here by the fuse box. I got these addifuses. One goes for the underglow and one is for my rack power. So I got it all hooked up and I ran a separate ground wire. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just tape all this up. Car is done now. We got all the wiring over here done, tucked away. I had to notch the fuse box because I don't want these things to bend and break. Battery's dead in the car, but look at that underglow though. That shit looks so good, dude. On the side. Yeah. Be it for this part of the video. Next, we'll be loading the car in and heading to Orlando, Chris and I. So we're gonna do a little video of us going down there. And then Friday we'll be sliding the car. So hopefully the car's ready because we have no experience in the car or if the car's even gonna work. But
Good luck.
no shit.
Don't end up like me.
Yeah, I know, right?
You got a spare right there. We could just switch everything over to the Roush.
No. All right, guys. Next will be the journey down there.
How's it going, guys? We are at the Circle K right now. We're halfway.
We are in Virginia.
Maybe? What do you think? Halfway, roughly?
Yeah, we got about 700 miles to go. We're getting pretty close though. We left about 5 this morning. It's about 2 o'clock right now. We did, hang on, this freaking Jake brake. But we've been going for, I don't know, 9-10 hours now. We stopped for an hour though for lunch to rest, and we're on our second fuel stop now.
It's a little expensive.
Yeah.
Backs are hurting.
Yeah, no shit.
Got the rig. Looks like she needs a little cleanup, but
yeah, she does.
we're ready.
All right, we are in North Carolina now. Maybe South Carolina, one of the two. Getting close though. Got about 8 hours left, 600 miles or so. Had to stop, had to go pee. But that's the trailer you guys just seen. It's all loaded up, car fits in here. Really nice. And I got all the wheels, so just received the event stuff for the weekend. Looks like Friday and Saturday, gonna be drifting. Tomorrow, Thursday, it's early check-in from 2 to 6. So we'll get there tomorrow, check in, and there's nothing we can do, but we'll go a little bit sightseeing, exploring. Those bright ass shoes. You can only pick the brightest color shoes. Look at those boys. He loves his wife. We are still in traffic. It's pretty bad over here. Yeah, we're in approaching the South Carolina border here. So we're all just chilling in the truck right now. It's about another 9 minutes hold up. How you doing, Better Chris?
Hey.
Yeah. Been on the road for officially about 12 hours now. We're showing another 8 to go. So it's about 18 hours. So added an hour to our whole thing, but we stopped, we got food, got fuel. So we're getting steak tonight too, so getting close. Hey! Say what up, YouTube! Say what up! About 20 hours in, we made it to the sleep in. Got this big ass trailer in this parking lot that's not designed for trailers at all. We were trying to find a place to wash our truck and trailer, but called this one place, they're a mobile one and they won't wash trailers. Tell them like it's a car wash, or it's a car trailer. It's not like it's a nasty one. It's not a semi-truck. It's just said no. So we found a Steak and Shake, but it's a little bit of a walk. My truck and trailer will not fit over there. How is it?
It's good. Better than the Steak and Shake on Monroe Street.
Do you realize that you grabbed this?
Cool, man. Where we at?
We are at the track.
Go ahead, open her up. Barely open that damn trailer. So the car didn't die now. My tuner plugged in was killing my car. Oh, you
Gotta undo the
It's only your fingers.
trailer here. Yeah.
You got it up?
Had to do a few adjustments to the car. Left outer tie rod was a little loose. That's okay though. We'll let it slide. Got our cooters ready to ride. We gotta move around the track. Can't believe not as many people showed up. Looks like we got about 3 so far, or other than us. So tomorrow will be the big film day.
All right, cool. We are on the track. Oh, this is a nice big sweeper too. Dude, there's so much room. You can really throw it wide here. This is awesome. So you come around this way. And then it looks like, you know, whip an S right here. And then you're gonna end over here. Gonna come around here and then probably exit track right here. That's what I'm seeing. Kind of sucks. I got a bunch of open space over here they didn't use though. You got Maddie over here just cruising in the sunset. Oh.
So romantic.
Oh, it's so romantic. Let me tell you. Damn, dude, her scooter moves out. Hey, good call on bringing the scooters.
Well, yeah. Especially if you want to go look at the drag stuff.
Oh yeah. So this is the oval. This is a nice oval, dude.
He said it tears up your tires now.
That's what he said?
Yeah, he said it fucking. You can tell though. Look at that lower.
What? Look at this old. They're not even using it this weekend either. That's crazy. Chris on a scooter we found in a car at the junkyard. He's whipping it. Alright, so this is gonna be it. We got those two just being all lazy and shit.
Yeah.
He was being extra lazy. But it's gonna be the end of this video. So don't forget to watch the next one because tomorrow is Friday. Well,